Hello students, welcome to Brain Art Academy. Today we will talk about quadratic equations, different types of word problems. In the last video, you learned how to solve a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by factorization method and quadratic formula. Here we will cover up the following types of questions. A number divided in two parts, difference in time taken by a vehicle to travel at different speeds, marks obtained by a student, cost of books and number of books purchased. To start with question 1, we have divide 27 in two parts such that the sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 20. Let the two parts be x and 27 minus x. Sum of their reciprocals would be 1 by x plus 1 upon 27 minus x is equal to 3 by 20. Solving this further, we will get a quadratic equation x square minus 27x plus 180 is equal to 0. This can be further solved and hence we get x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 15. Thus, the required numbers are 12 and 15 and the sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 20. Moving on to question 2, we have a plane left 30 minutes late than its scheduled time and in order to reach the station 15 kilometers away in time, it had to increase its speed by 100 kilometers per hour from the usual speed. Find its usual speed. Now this question is based on the concept time is equal to distance divided by speed. Let the usual speed of the plane be x kilometers per hour. So the time taken to cover 1500 kilometers would be 15 by x hours. If the speed increases, time taken would be 15 upon x plus 10 hours. According to the question we have, 15 by x minus 15 upon x plus 100 is equal to 30 by 60. Solving this, we get the equation x squared plus 100x minus 3 lakhs is equal to 0, which can be further solved and we'll get x is equal to minus 600 or x is equal to 5. Since the speed cannot be negative, so we ignore minus 600. Hence, the speed of the plane is 500 kilometers per hour. Moving further to the third question, we have a student scored 32 marks in class tests of mathematics and science. Had he scored 2 marks less in science and 4 marks more in mathematics, the product of his marks would have been 253. Find his marks in two subjects. Let the score in maths be x and that in science be 32 minus x. With the changes in score, their product is 253. So we can present this as x plus 4 into 32 minus x minus 2 is equal to 253. So we get x plus 4 into x 30 minus x is 253. Solving this further, we get x is either equal to 7 or x is equal to 19. So we get two answers here. Hence, the student scored as follows: Maths 7 and Science 25 or Maths 19 and Science 30. Coming to the last question, we have a shopkeeper buys a number of books for rupees 1200. If he had bought 10 more books for the same amount, each book would have cost him rupees 20 less. How many books did he buy? The question is based on the concept cost of one book is equal to total amount divided by number of books purchased. Let the number of books purchased be x, cost of each book will be 1200 by x. And if he buys 10 more books, the cost of each book will be 1200 upon x plus 10. According to the question, we get 1200 by x minus 1200 by x plus 10 is equal to 20. Solving this equation, we come to the quadratic equation x squared plus 10x minus 600 is equal to 0. Solving this further, we will get x is equal to minus 30 or x is 20. Thus, ignoring the negative value, we get that the shopkeeper purchased 20 books. That's all for today, students. I hope you understood the questions well. That's all for today. Thank you, students, for watching us. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel, and do follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.